Workplace sexual harassment is a behavior that is unwelcome, sexual in nature, and the experience is subjective. That is, different people may react in different ways. It is the impact of the act that matters and not the intent. It almost always occurs in a matrix of power. So go through these scenarios that I will show you next and answer the question that follows. Ria enters her office building and Raj meets her near the lift. He immediately comments, "You are looking hot in this dress." Ria then says, "Raj, I do not like such comments. These make me uncomfortable." After that, Raj does not repeat this behavior. Is this sexual harassment? Say yes or no. Megha receives a WhatsApp message from her colleague Ravindra. She checks the message and it is a video clip from a pornographic movie. Megha is offended and files a complaint to the POSH cell. Is Megha within her rights? Answer yes or no. Reema has joined a new office. Her manager asks her to join on a video call at 10 p.m. that night. Reema agrees, thinking this is how they work here. During the call, Reema discovers that she's the only one talking to her manager, and her manager asks her a few general questions like what movies she likes watching. He then says that he will have a video call with her every night as this is the only time that he is free. Reema tries telling him that she cannot be on a call every night. Can't things be discussed next morning? But he says that if she doesn't join the call, he will report this as insubordination. Reema feels uncomfortable and she's contemplating resigning. Should she file a sexual harassment complaint? Answer yes or no.